Hi, and welcome to Cornea Revolution-Motwani LASIK. Thank you for tuning in. Up next, we have a patient that will be sharing their experience. He was diagnosed with keratoconus. He had his procedure done by us last year, and now we are approaching an enhancement in one eye. One eye has 20/20, and the other has 20/40. His vision will only get better. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm John from Los Angeles, California. I heard about Cornea Revolution in Motwani through actually a family member of mine, my brother, who received LASIK procedure. I originally was told throughout many years that I was not eligible to receive LASIK or to do anything with my eyes. I have an eye diagnosis called keratoconus, which, from my understanding, basically means you kind of have like a football shape going on in your eye where it sticks out in certain areas and is really round. And on top of also having astigmatism in both my eyes, I assume that I will be eligible to fix my eyes. I have worn glasses since I was, I don't know, 8 or 10 years old. I always wanted to do something with my eyes. When I found that I couldn't, I just gave up. Early in my 20s, I heard about eye diagnosis with keratoconus, and the solution that was supposed to take to do some fix to that was stick a ring in my eye, and that didn't sound good either. But when I spoke with Dr. Motwani, just kind of on a fluke, to see if he was, if it was possible, he said that could get an eye procedure with my astigmatism, and also he could treat my keratoconus, which didn't even really remember that I had this at that point. So the procedure itself lasts a little bit longer than traditional LASIK, which I think is a couple seconds, or 20 seconds, 30 seconds to a few minutes. I think this took maybe 30 minutes where you're kind of on the operating table or work down your eyes and laser and doing a variety of things. The recovery period also is a little bit longer, but what I learned over the period of about a year of recovery was just to be patient for the first few months. I had pretty poor vision, and it got better within maybe 3 months to relatively workable. And then over a year, I basically have near the amount of vision that I had with glasses, and now I don't have to wear glasses at all. It's great for having kids. You don't have to always carry glasses or carry contacts and things like that. And really, the way that I think about it is have the patience. I mean, going through this now, I'm relatively young, we're in my 30s. The alternatives for solid keratoconus is you likely have to do a cornea transplant every decade or so, which is likely taking an eye from like a cadaver and putting it into your eye and stitching it together, and then have to replace it every 10 or so years. So it's 3 months of a comfortable vision. It recovers over a year, and then you can have an enhancement at the end to get basically a 20/20 in some cases, or every 10 years get new eyes from a different dead person. So that's about here, and hopefully today I can get from already pretty good to very good vision. My vision has increased significantly. I think I have 20/20 in one eye, 20/40 or 20/40 in the other eye, and I'm going to go today to get the other eye to 20/20. So really excited.